So, what is the law of vibration, and how is that impacting your manifestation? How does the law of vibration affect the law of attraction? Let's discuss that, shall we? Hi, I'm Marna, and thank you for joining me. Now, the law of vibration is very simple in its fundamentals. Basically, the law of vibration states that everything has a vibrational frequency, and the vibrational frequency that you put out is what is drawn back into you. According to the law of vibration, the universe is like a giant mirror, and what you put out is what bounces back and comes into your life. Now, we know scientifically that, yes, everything has a vibration. Back in the 90s, this mad scientist named Bruce Tyno, working with the University of Washington, created a machine that specifically measured the vibrational frequency of any object. And it didn't matter how solid the object may appear, it still had a vibrational frequency. This wall is vibrating somewhere between 2 and 5 megahertz. Since it's kind of cold outside, that slows the vibration down, and this is an exterior wall. But normally for your normal room, it'd be about 5 megahertz of constant vibration. Most humans are vibrating somewhere between 30 megahertz up to about 90 to 95 megahertz. Now, the level that you are vibrating at is directly reflected by your physical health, by your mental stability, your emotional health, where you are on an emotional basis, and where you are from a point of view of your demeanor. What you are sending out is what comes back. It also reflects in things like your intelligence. People who have a higher IQ tend to have a brain that vibrates at a higher level than people who have a lower IQ. So yes, vibrational frequency affects every aspect of your life, whether you know it or not. We have the science to back that up. So if you think of vibrational frequency as being like a mirror, and what you put out is what comes back to you, then that changes how you're going to approach life in general and manifestation. If you are trying to manifest love, you will not manifest love by putting out anger or frustration or the feeling that everyone that you're attracted to is automatically not going to like you. If you're putting out those vibrations, those are what are going to be reflected back to you. But when you put out the vibration of being in love with yourself, that opens up the vibrational frequency for others to be in love with you as well. Now, given that our society specializes in making people hate themselves instead of love themselves, yes, this is a challenge. I am not going to cut that down at all. But when you are going out with your friends, don't smack talk the guys at the bar. Sit there and focus on how incredible you are. And that opens things up so other people can see the incredibleness that is you as well. The same goes for drawing in anything else. If you're trying to manifest in money, then put out the air of having money. Be grateful for the money you have in your life. Don't look at your bank account and think, oh, I am never going to be able to afford to pay all my bills like this. What am I going to do? Look at your bank account and think, I am so grateful that my bills are paid without me having to worry about it. I am so thankful that I have the money that I need to feed my family, that I have more than enough money to meet all of my needs and desires at this moment. Keep that air of gratitude, and the universe will respond by providing more for you to be grateful for, frequently in the form of additional zeros added to the end of your bank balance. The good end, not the bad end. So, how does this affect the standard teachings of law of attraction? I mean, law of attraction is what you think about, you bring about. Whereas law of vibration, at least in the words of Dr. Wayne Dwyer, is what you are is what you attract. Sorry, I want to make sure I was saying that right. So, law of attraction, what you think about, you bring about. That means that if you're focused on the lack of what you have, you will get more lack. If you are focused on the having, this is in my life and I am thankful for it, then your vibration is shifting to being in that air of gratitude, putting out to the universe your vibration of, yes, this is my life, and having that reflected back to you. So they do coincide, they do work together. They're not in opposition to each other, but you do need to be very aware of what your vibrational frequency is that you're putting out, so that you know what vibrational frequency you're welcoming back into your life. If you're putting out the vibrational frequency of not enough, of nobody loves me, of why would anyone want to spend time with me, then that is what you get back. You need to put out the vibrational frequency of, I am a wonderful person, and I am more than happy to share what a wonderful person I am with you, so that you can be a wonderful person too. And that is what you bring back in. So that is your brief rundown of law of attraction and law of vibration. I will be discussing this some more in some future videos, so stay tuned for those, and I will see you in the next video.